Another area feeling the brunt of Ida is Lincoln County. 12 News' Leah Williams is down in Brookhaven, which is also in the path of the hurricane right now. Leah, it looks like it's coming down there.
Good morning. All morning, we've been seeing heavy rain here in Brookhaven as Ida continues to move into Mississippi. As you can see behind me, there's leaving some damage behind. As you can see, there's down tree branches and limbs, some of them even in the roadway. This is near South Jackson and Cherokee Streets. We're still seeing tropical storm conditions, bringing heavy rain and wind gusts of up to 39 miles per hour. It's pretty dark out here as well, as there are widespread power outages in Brookhaven. Now, right now, a tropical storm warning and flash flood warnings are in effect here in Lincoln County. Live in Brookhaven, Leah Williams, 12 News.
All right, Leah, see you later. And